Well, I've lived here for a few years now. It's a great house, but it's just a bit cold and drafty. Now Lucy's moved in, she's noticed how hard it is to keep warm, especially in the evenings. The only way we can get the room up to a good temperature is to put the fan heater on full blast.
Or wear jumpers, or both. And as soon as we switch off the heater, the room gets cold really quickly. And sometimes when we have our friends over, some of them don't even bother to take their coats off, it's that cold.
It was my dad who told me about Sure insulation. So I open by insulating the outer walls and under the floorboards. That will be a bit warmer this winter, and we'll save some money in our fuel bills, which were pretty high last year.
When I did the energy review of this house, I found in the front room that there were two major problems. The first was that there's a lot of cold air blowing in around the floorboards and through the cracks between the boards. And the second was that there were some big cold surfaces making people in the room lose heat very quickly. The floor was the first thing to tackle. Now, because it was stripped pine flooring, we wanted to keep the floor, so we have a special technique for lifting the boards without damaging them. And then under the floor we laid a very thick layer of mineral wool to insulate the floor, and also did the pipes whilst we were at it. Relaying the floor, we were able to recreate the look of the pine flooring to retain the feel of the original room. For the walls, what we did was to strip off the woodwork and the electrics and attach some high specification insulation board and then finish it off with plasterboard ready for decoration. The whole room, I calculate, is now at least 10 times better in terms of energy efficiency, and that will definitely make the room feel warmer. But I'm happy for Joe and Lucy to say how they feel when winter comes.
Since we've had the work done, the house just feels so warm, and when we turn the heating on as well, the house just seems to retain the heat, which is great.
Yeah, and we've also noticed that the energy bills have come down quite a bit as well, which is just great all around really.